So to make the roasted creamy red pepper pasta sauce, you're just going to need 3 garlic cloves, some double cream. We won't, this one is, hang on, how many mils are we using here today? 300 mils. I know that we're not going to use all of this. I think it'll probably be about half or a quarter of the tub, but I'll specify. An onion, this is quite a large one. I don't, again, know if I'm going to use the whole thing, but I will let you know. 2 peppers, sea salt, black pepper, and then some, which one is this? The olive oil. I don't use extra virgin because I don't find it's great for cooking. I just use this one, which always turns out really nice when I do my sauces. So that's it. You're just going to need some little dishes for roasting your veg, which I'm sure you all know how to do. But hopefully you enjoy this recipe. It's really, really delicious. And, well, I think nutritious apart from the double cream, but you know, hey ho. So yeah, let's get started. Right, so is this going to focus? Yes. So, meal that we're going to be doing today. I would normally have this for lunch, but I'm going to do it for dinner tonight because we don't really have anything. You know when you don't get chicken out and you're like, or any meat out of the freezer and you're thinking, oh, now what? So I'm going to make falafel and halloumi flatbreads. Now these probably seem like the biggest faff for a sandwich in essence, but I promise you they taste amazing. So you're gonna need hummus. I love this brand of hummus, but don't feel like you have to get it. You're gonna need some halloumi, some plum tomatoes, falafel, a pepper. I like spring onion in mine as like a topping, but you don't have to. Sean hates spring onion, so they're just for me. And then a very sad few pea shoots that we have left. And you will also need flatbreads, which I'll film when Sean brings them home from work, because he had to pop to Tesco's and get them today because they all went off, the ones we had. Don't you hate that when you open a pack of pitters or flatbreads and they're just gone? So yeah, I promise you this is worth the effort. You'll also need a little bit of olive oil for cooking the pepper and tomatoes, but I'll show you as we go along.
Long ago,
So the next one I'm going to teach you how to do is something that's called summer winter chicken. I got this off the BBC Good Food website years ago, and it has been like one of my go-to dinner party meals. It's so easy, like considering how little ingredients you need, it actually makes the most delicious dinner. So you're going to need some penne pasta, some plum or cherry tomatoes, chicken breast. I'm probably only going to use one of these because we're not massively, I find it really filling, so obviously if you're doing it, it's up to you, you can put how much you want in. Some creme fraiche, some pesto. I've just got these little pods. To be honest, you only need about half of that. Some olive oil just to cook the chicken in, some pepper and salt, and that is literally it. And I can promise you this is one of the tastiest meals ever, considering the lack of ingredients. So let's get started.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh.